All right, welcome back, guys. So we are back at it again. The day is pretty beautiful. A little bit of wind out here. I think it's gonna blow maybe 15. Tide's coming in though, so I want to say high tide's at like 11 a.m. today. Did real good out here last time. Gonna fish some of these holes, look for some trout, redfish. We got some shrimp, artificials, pretty much the same thing as usual. So we're gonna just see what happens, hopefully get on some nice fish. Got Sean gearing up over there, and we're gonna get to it. Thanks for tuning in. Well, guys, we're waiting for Sean to gear up over there. We're gonna throw this little TRD bug. So last time we were getting pretty good trout on this thing, so we're gonna see if we can get something today. Also, it's Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo to anyone partaking or in the Mexican community. My fiance is Mexican, so I get the right to drink a Modelo today and celebrate the revolution. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish in honor of Cinco de Mayo and hopefully eat some fish tacos later. All right, up with the first fish. Little trout. So I got the skunk off. I kind of foul hooked this guy right in the throat. I'm sure he still went for it, but skunk off early while we're waiting on Sean. And a throat poke trout. See you later. Nothing like getting the skunk off early. Throw this guy back out there, see if we can get more. Good jumping trout here. Ooh, came off. It was probably actually close to keeper. It wasn't a bad size. Oh, there we go. A little bit better. And these smaller trout are just stacked over in this hole over here. About the same size as the last two. All right, so Sean's on the water, so we're gonna head straight to these islands over here and hopefully get on some fish. All right, so we've posted up a new spot. Bite's proven pretty tough today. A few little bites in the mangroves, but saw a few snook, but just couldn't get them to bite at all. Like they wanted nothing to do with the shrimp. Posted up here, we're gonna see if we can maybe find something. Already getting bit on this shrimp. Thinking it's probably a little sheep's head again. Fishy on, might be a, is that a sheep? Might be a red. Oh, that's a red. That is a red. Oh, thought I was recording and I wasn't, but we are finally up with a fish. And looks to be a red. So just on this flat, hopefully this is it, bro. This might be the spot. So a bit of a struggle to get to this point. Trying to find the bite. Yeah, I got a split shot. So I built this pretty good sized red here. GoPro battery's about to die. So he may keep. We'll see. Get the net ready on him. Get the net ready on this boy. All right, buddy. Come on in. Come on in. He's okay size. I think he's probably around 18, 19. I'll give him a quick measure. But he's got some interesting spots on him. 4 spots, one side, 3 spots. He's got some dots and dashes on the other side. All right, hook is out. Let's see, if he's like 18 and a half, I'll take him. If he's less than 18 and a half, I'm probably not gonna take him. Yeah, he's keeper. So he'll be coming home. Cool, so it's a keeper red, about 18 and a half inches right there. So nothing to really write home about or brag about, but we'll take him. Yeah, it's been a tough bite. If we were like out here slaying the reds, I'd probably let this guy go, but I'll take whatever I can get right now. This one's small, I don't know what this is. It's a puffer fish? It's a puffer fish. Got that good old southern puffer. Yeah, man, do it. Do your thing. Puff, puff. Reach maximum puff. Maximum puffage acquired. These guys got some serious teeth. You can just hear it grinding on the hook there. Go ahead and send them and try to catch some legit fish. Look at all these little trout. Look, little trout just swarming the Savage Gear. That was pretty crazy. You can see him right below us too. Cool if we can get one to just come up, smack it. Pinfish. Fish on. Keep him out of them mangroves. He was trying to get in there too. Good red. Whew. Another red. So that's gonna be redfish number 2. We already bagged our one, so we're gonna end up letting this guy go. So unless he's a little bit bigger than the last one. So this guy's probably about 22, maybe 23. So pretty good red there. Got him on a shrimp, just tossed it in the mangroves. So pretty blue tail on him. One spotter, classic redfish. So 22 inch red, right there in the mangroves. Sweet fish. Get the release on him and keep it going. Oh, you got one? Nice, Sean's up. Sean's up with a red. Just to the right of that same spot that we caught that last one. Good stuff, dude. Looks like a good one. Yeah, you'll have to hold him up, man. I told you, bro, this was it, bro, this spot here. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Did you see any fish over there? That's where we were catching them. Go. Ooh, came off too. It might be stacked down there. I mean, we both got hit like immediately. Here we go. Dude, did we just get the same, did we hook up the same fish? Oh. Dude, we both had the same fish. What? That just happened. Mine ended up breaking. I gotta retie. That was pretty interesting. Yeah, so yeah, me and Sean just had the same fish underneath this dock. I don't know whose line had whose or what happened there, but Sean got to keep his hook though. All right, we're pulled up to a new dock, hopefully with a new batch of fish. We got cormorants dropping some serious deuceage, and it has slowed down a bit. Oh man, they are just shitting up a storm here. Good thing the wind's blowing the other direction, else we'd be in big trouble. There we go. Ooh, this is awkward. Just did a complete 180. Ooh, he might have me on the. Ooh, he just came. He's coming up wrapped from the piling. Ooh, he's on there. I feel like scraping. Is he out? I think he's out. Ooh, he is out. Good red. But we're frayed up, so it's gonna be tough. Just have to drag a bit. Guys, did you see that? Complete 360. Decent red though. So glad we got him out in the open. Big boy red. So he's definitely bigger than the last one. I'm gonna measure on him real quick. All right guys, that is a good red right there. So he's probably about 25, 26. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna measure on him real quick and get him back in the water. We already bagged our one today. Ooh, it's bigger than the 2 lost sticks. So this guy's gonna be 25. Better yet, get a measure this way. Alright guys, there you have it. 25-inch red. Heck of a battle under this dock. So I ended up doing a 360 just to get this guy out. So we're gonna have to definitely do a revive on him, and then we'll send him on his way. Cool. Alright guys, so we're taking it in. Alright, so I'm just doing a quick voiceover because the wind noise was terrible whenever we were leaving the spot. But this day ended up being pretty decent. Started out pretty rough. I mean, we hit our usual spots where we were just slaying reds a couple weeks prior to, and those spots just weren't holding the redfish. So we ended up getting lucky, you know, trying a few different spots here and there, and then we kind of dialed them in. You know, but again, that's after trying maybe like 5 or 6 different locations. So we moved around a lot, and that's where those trolling motors really come in handy, because I mean, that would have been a lot of paddling if we're, you know, just moving around on the water, you know, powering the kayaks ourselves. So the trolling motors definitely come in handy for that. But it was a blast of a day. Like always, I appreciate the support, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, definitely leave those down below. Like always, have a wonderful day. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.